What's going on, everyone? Welcome to Step 1 Finance. Guys, if you're not subscribers, if you could do that, and if you're a new subscriber, I welcome you. Hit the notification bell so you know when I post videos. Leave comments, guys, thumbs up, thumbs down. So this is one video that I hope you guys watch from front to back if you guys are new stock investors. I think that's what makes this channel unique, is that I'm just fresh of getting out of debt and I am learning about stock investing. And guys, I'm not gonna lie, over the last 6 months, I probably watched thousands of hours of old clips of Peter Lynch and, Warren Buffett and whoever is knowledgeable at the stock market, I have watched and I'm trying to learn. I fell into the trap that I'm going to get to with these YouTubers that are pitching stock ideas to you on YouTube. But first, I want to tell you guys, about 6 months ago, I started reading this book, The Intelligent Investor. I was about 150 pages in, and then I quit reading it. It was probably the best thing I could have done, because over the last 6 months, like I said, I have been learning a ton about stocks and the stock market, okay? And this is the revised edition. After every chapter, there's commentary by Jason Zweig. I hope I'm saying that right, but this is the book. If I could find this in the Amazon, I will leave it in the description below. This was, Benjamin Graham was Warren Buffett's mentor. So I just wanted to show you the book. So basically, I'm about 90 pages in again. I just started reading this the other day, and I am so glad that I stopped. And everything that I'm learning is so relevant to today, what's happening today. And, I put this video up just the other day, and in this video, I was talking about this video, and I'm sitting there telling you guys, oh, here's a bunch of YouTubers that I think you guys should follow if you're looking to get involved in stocks. Anything that anyone ever says should be up to your interpretation. Well, I'm here now telling you, don't watch any of them, okay? Because this is why. I want to tell you. I'm not going to say who the YouTubers were, but guys, when people come on YouTube and they kick off, hey, 10x stock, this is the next stock going to blah, 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 and you buy in on that hype, okay? That's what hype stocks are. When someone is preaching to you that this has the potential of being the next FANG stock, that is a hype stock, okay? So I have literally been selling stocks like crazy lately. 75% of my portfolio after doing my research, okay? So my research now is, I'm starting to develop steps that I go through. And the first step is looking at the financials. And if the financials are good, I'm gonna go to the 10K and I'm gonna start reading all the risks about the company. I wanted to cry, okay? So all the stocks that I sold, they failed miserably. If I was analyzing these stocks for my portfolio after learning what I've been learning, I would not even went past the financials, because there's a lot of these companies are newer. It's what they could do, okay? They're negative money, they're not even profitable, and it's just stupid, because you always have that thought that I gotta buy while it's low, right? I got to get this stock while it's 20 bucks a share right now, because it could be $200 a share. It's such the wrong approach, because not only could it be $200 a share, it could be $0 a share. The company could easily go bankrupt. And basically my whole portfolio was based off of other YouTubers telling me to buy. Guys, I highly recommend don't buy, all right? If you are ready to invest, look in ETFs. Look in putting your money in ETFs, 401ks at work, IRAs. Put your money in something that's going to be a safe haven for you, and not something you have absolutely no idea what you're investing in, like I did. Okay, now I was lucky. Out of all the stocks that I sold in the past week, I have made $3,000 in profits. And that's going to bring me on to the next part of this video. This was the most horrible time that new investors could get into the stock market, in my opinion. Because what's the stock market doing? Just going up for the last how many years? And only dipped in March because of the virus. And then what did it do after that? Up. It just keeps going up. So to me, this is the worst. Guys, everything on this channel is based on my opinion and my research. So don't even listen to me if you don't want to. I'm just telling you from what I have been learning, and I think this video is really important to get out, that we have got in at the wrong time. We got in when the stock market can't do no wrong, okay? So we're buying in on all these stocks that, we're just banking money on. But when I went on and I started researching the stocks that I bought and the financials, negative money, because I didn't even look at the financials when I purchased these stocks 6 months ago, negative money. And then you go to the risk section of the 10K. And they are telling you in black and white right there how risky that this company is. I mean, because they're telling you everything about the company right there, who their competitors are. And then you go and start looking at their competitors, and maybe some of them are profitable and this one's not profitable. This one hasn't even proved themselves yet. We're going off of these YouTubers, and we're going off of what they can do in the future. Instead of putting our research into companies, like Peter Lynch said, you should only be purchasing 4 to like maybe 6 stocks per decade. If you put that much homework into buying a car, you put that much homework into buying a house, or you put that much homework into spending your money, why would you not put that much homework into investing your money? And that is what they're teaching you in this book, and that is what they're teaching you on like all these videos that I've been watching. So guys, take with a grain of salt what you have been learning off of these people, because I'll tell you right now, the companies that I just sold and luckily profited off of and not lost money off of, I'm telling you, when there is the next downturn, and there will be, there always is, it's possible these companies could go bankrupt. It's possible they could lose 50% of their market cap. Guys, it's possible they go to nothing. So do your due diligence. I highly, highly recommend, just start learning. Quit watching all the buy. Now, let's think about this, okay? I talked about this Everything Money. Paul teaches on this channel more than, I don't think I've ever told, he tells you what he might be interested in, but he is not on there saying, hey guys, the next 10x stock, hey guys, buy. He is teaching you. That's why I was so excited about his channel, is because finally someone that is teaching you and not just telling you a little overview of the company, then telling you that you should buy it, okay? Even though they might not come out and say buy, they are a roundabout way in their YouTube video telling you everything to do to purchase that stock besides saying the word buy. I hope I'm making sense, guys. I think it's very important that we start reevaluating what we're watching on YouTube. My advice is to read, learn, do whatever you can to learn before you purchase a stock. I'm strongly advising that. And I sort of was falling into the trap myself of telling you guys, hey, go follow these YouTubers, because they gave me such great advice. I made $3,000 in profits off of their advice now. I could easily lose that $3,000 because these companies aren't even profitable. They're companies that the top investors would not even blink an eye at. So I'm just telling you guys, do your due diligence and learn. I am super excited about what I am learning. So before I go, I want you guys to think of something. The next time you see a thumbnail from one of your favorite YouTubers about buying stocks, and it says the next 10x, this stock could double this month. Guys, it gets you drawn in, don't it? Now, would you go click on a thumbnail that said, learn how to invest, and you could probably purchase 4 or 5 stocks over the next decade? You would scroll right past that. So now you guys know why they are preaching what they preach. And the stuff that they buy, that we're putting a lot of our money into, they're putting a fraction of their money into. And then there's another dude on YouTube. I'm not calling anybody out. I have no business, I will never call out an individual YouTuber on this channel, but he has no business teaching stocks. None. No business talking about stocks, because what I have been learning, that dude knows nothing about. What he is doing is he's learning off of the YouTubers I'm talking about, and then he's redoing it to his own way of saying it, and then he's just spilling that back out to you. So he's basically just regurgitating what he heard off of other people. And please don't, I'm just telling you guys, be careful. So I guess this is just a big warning type video. And guys, the more I learn, the more videos I'm going to be putting out like this. And I'm just going to tell you what I'm learning. I will never tell you what I'm invested in, because I don't want you to think, well, he's put thousands of hours into learning, he must be picking the right stocks. I'm never going to disclose my portfolio. I'm never going to disclose anything that I'm investing in, because I do not want to steer anyone the wrong way. If one person says, oh, well, he must be in that because he's learning all this stuff, then it must be a good one because he read the 10K. I will never do that. So I will never tell you guys what I'm investing in, and the story, because I do not want to get caught up in this crap like these other YouTubers are doing. And I fell into the trap for the last 6 months. And I'm so glad. I'll tell you what, I don't even care if some of the stocks that I sold go to the moon in the next 5-10 years. I feel so much better now knowing that those stocks are out of my portfolio and 75% of my portfolio is not a high risk anymore. And I'm going to start doing things the right way. I'm starting all over again. I did not sell all of my stocks. I sold what I thought was the riskiest. I did have some smart plays in my portfolio, but not all of them were risk plays. So guys, that's what this video is about today. Just a little warning to you guys. And I apologize for putting these YouTubers out there. I will never, the Everything Money one is the only one I'm probably gonna, unless someone else comes out like Paul and they're willing to teach you and not just say, this is what I'm buying, you guys should buy. And guys, all spec plays. They're all spec plays. Everything that these guys are kicking out are almost all specs, okay? They're speculatory stocks that might do something. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you guys have a good one. Please learn. Pick up The Intelligent Investor. Start learning before you invest. I'll talk to you guys later. Have a good one.